In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an employee in QuickBooks Accountant, a task that should take us about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to make sure you're signed into QuickBooks. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, which will direct you to a login page. From here, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Now, let's enter your login credentials. Once you've typed in your username and password, hit continue to move forward. Once logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. We are going to head over to the employees section. You can usually find this option in the main menu, though its exact location may vary depending on your specific version of QuickBooks. Clicking on employees will take you to a new page where you manage your existing workforce and their information. Now, with our focus on adding a new employee, you will need to click on the Add an Employee button. It's an easy option to spot, and by clicking this, it allows you to begin entering the crucial details for your new team member. We are going to start by adding the employee's first name. Enter it precisely as it appears on their legal documents to ensure consistency and compliance. Next, we move on to the last name. Type in the last name, also making sure that it matches their official documents. Ensuring the accuracy of this information will help avoid future issues, especially with payroll and tax records. With the names entered, it's time to input the employee's email address. This is important as it may be used for various communications and logging purposes within QuickBooks, so make sure you have the correct address. The next step involves setting the hire date. This information is vital for record keeping and may also affect the calculation of benefits or eligibility for certain programs. Carefully choose the correct start date from the calendar. With all these details filled in, it's finally time to wrap up the process. Hit the Add Employee button to finalize and save the new employee's details into your QuickBooks account. It's a good practice to double check all the information before you save to ensure everything is correct. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new employee into QuickBooks Accountant. This quick process is now complete. Remember, maintaining accurate and up-to-date employee records not only helps with payroll management, but also aids in financial reporting and compliance with labor laws. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your business more efficiently with QuickBooks.